watercolor artist and teacher, Jill Pearson, and I recently had the opportunity to take a trip of a lifetime to Greece. We spent a few days in Athens and then got on a catamaran with some friends and sailed from island to island in the Ionian Sea. And this place was as magical as you can imagine. The colors, the flavors, the textures, the sounds, just not anything I experience on a regular basis here in my home in Minnesota. And I took my watercolors and my watercolor journal along with me with the intention of creating this tutorial for you, taking you along, talking about the different cultural and historical things that I learned when I was there, and also trying to equip you to do travel journaling of your own, whether it's a day at a local park or a month in Europe. It's so fun and easy to take along a journal and watercolors. And I hope that you will consider joining me on our escape to Greece.